Hey guys, check out this mini LED flashlight by WARSUN. Okay, so as we unpackage it, we can see the little flashlight, the manual, and the charging cable. Okay, so let's talk about some of the features. So this is the main flashlight. This is the side flashlight. And then right here is where you turn it on, this button right here. And then you notice it has this clip back here like that. Clip it on, and then back, and on this side is where you're gonna plug it in to charge it. And this is the magnetic part right here. So to charge it, you just plug it in this area, which is indicated like so, and you'll notice a red light. Blue light indicates that it's ready for use. So it has 6 different lighting modes. Check it out. The blue and red strobe lights can be used for emergencies. It's thin, lightweight, and compact. You can clip it onto the sun visor of your car and put it in your pocket or in your purse. And as I stated earlier, it has a magnetic base. This LED flashlight is ideal for climbing, camping, hiking, emergencies, and car repairs. Thank you for watching.